Well, a while back on my channel, I did a video on how to add a custom thumbnail to playlists. Now, the demonstration was on desktop, but did you know you can also do it on mobile? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. So we're going to jump on over to the YouTube app. This will work the same on iOS or Android. It's exactly the same process you can see here. I'm just on my home page, which is fine. You can be anywhere. If you tap on the bottom right on your profile picture, and then you'll see like your watch history, and then you'll see playlists. Click on View All next to Playlists. Now, what you want to do is go and find the playlist that you want to change. And so I'm going to just take the top one here, and then you want to tap Edit. Now, once you've done that, you've got all the editable portions of the playlist that you can change, including the title, the description, the visibility, collaboration settings, and voting settings. But if you notice on the thumbnail there's a little pencil icon. So what you want to do is tap that, and you get three options. You can choose from your library, which means you can pull a thumbnail that you've already created from your camera roll or gallery. Now you can take a photo with the camera right that moment to take a picture, or you can even create with AI. I've never seen this feature before, to create a thumbnail with AI, but it is possible on a playlist, evidently. To choose from library, you can tap that, and you can scroll through all your images and find something that might be a thumbnail. I'm just going to pick something that I've already got. This is not what I'm going to change it to, but you can see here I can instantly add additional things like text, which might be relevant to the playlist. Like this is for my YouTube Creator News. So I'll go YouTube Creator News. And then obviously I can change colors. This is a bit like the thumbnail feature in YouTube Shorts. I can put it there. I can also add filters, which I'm not going to on this one. And there's a smiley face, so I can do stickers and emojis. There's no real search option on this, so you'd have to scroll through and find a particular image that you might be looking for. I don't even know if there's anything related to news in here. No, there's not many stickers. There's a recent option, which will show you stuff that you may have used before. And of course, your classic emojis. So I can just add a classic cool emoji, and that could be my thumbnail, essentially. And I can click Done. And right now you can see that is the new thumbnail. Obviously, then I can click Save. Alternatively, Create with AI. Let's check that out. First of all, it allows you to select a theme. So you can go like fantasy or travel, animals or nature, or just simply colors. But you have to pick something. Let's go travel. This feature is experimental. Use at your discretion. AI generated images are based on text prompts and may sometimes fail. Your use of this feature is subject to YouTube community guidelines, so don't ask it to do something illegal or breaching YouTube's community guidelines. So a little bit of a warning there. Now right now, I don't know why it hasn't asked me for a prompt. Very basic. There's no real text prompt here. This is all based on predefined shapes. I don't look like I can do a lot with this. Now, whenever it creates an image, you're going to get like several to choose from. You can see this could be interesting. Not really going to work on my channel. I can go more to get just more different types of blue smoke. We'll pick one just for the purposes. Okay, it doesn't allow you to do any of the additional text, so using it in this manner is a little bit limited. I would probably recommend the best one to use would be to choose from library, where it's going to clearly give you the ability to improve the thumbnail in some way. But whatever you end up being finalized with here, you can click Save. And you can see the playlist at the top here hasn't changed yet, but if I go out, it'll update itself in a minute. If I jump back into playlists, you can see now it's giving me the custom thumbnail there. So yeah, you certainly can do it on your mobile device, and it looks like you've got like some extra options there that you may not have on desktop. So very achievable. Now note that you cannot do the same process in the Studio app, so you have to do it in the YouTube main app, just as I've demonstrated here. So what do you think? Do you think this is something that might come in handy if you're on the road and need to give a playlist a custom thumbnail? Let me know in the comments below if that is something that you think you ever use. But even having that knowledge that that ability is in the back of your mind, that if it ever comes up, you'll be able to achieve it. Now, if you want to check out the video I did a while back where I actually showed you how to do this on desktop, aka uploading a custom thumbnail to a playlist, then you go check out this video here, wherever the video is. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.